Experiencing an Airalo eSIM stuck on the activating message is frustratingly common. This issue affects roughly 15 to 20% of new eSIM activations as of 2025. To understand why this happens, we need to examine the eSIM activation process. This process involves 5 critical steps that must complete successfully. The 5 steps are scanning the QR code, downloading the carrier profile, authenticating your device, installing the profile to your device's secure element, and finally registering with the network. Problems can occur at any of these steps. The most common causes include poor internet connectivity during activation, insufficient device storage space, and carrier network congestion. Device storage problems are another major cause. When your phone doesn't have enough space, the eSIM profile cannot be properly installed. Carrier network congestion during peak hours can also cause activation servers to become overwhelmed, leading to timeouts and failed activations. Additional causes include corrupted activation data and device compatibility issues. Recent iOS and Android updates have improved eSIM handling, but problems still persist with certain carrier profiles. To prevent activation issues, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, sufficient storage space on your device, and verify that your device is compatible with Airalo's eSIM service before attempting activation. When your Airalo eSIM gets stuck on activating, there are several proven troubleshooting methods you can try. We'll walk through each solution step by step, starting with the simplest approaches. The first method is a basic reset approach. This simple 4-step process resolves most activation issues and should always be your starting point. Here's what the airplane mode toggle looks like on your device. Turn it on for 30 seconds, then turn it back off. This clears temporary network connections that might be interfering with activation. If the basic reset doesn't work, try method 2, resetting your network settings. This clears all saved Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, giving your device a fresh start for eSIM activation. This is what the Reset Network Settings option looks like in your device settings. Be aware that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready to re-enter. As a last resort, you can manually install the eSIM profile. This bypasses the automatic activation process and gives you direct control over the installation. You'll need to access your Airalo account through a web browser to get the activation details. The app interface shows your purchased eSIM plans and their activation codes. If none of these methods work, it's time to contact support. Don't wait too long. If your eSIM has been stuck for more than 24 hours, or you see error messages about profile corruption, reach out for professional help. Remember, eSIM activation involves multiple steps between your device, the carrier network, and Airalo's servers. These troubleshooting methods address the most common failure points in this process. Most activation issues resolve within a few hours using these techniques.